Hey, I'm Ben from the Ligo Marigold team, and this is the first video of the Ligo Basics series. What is Ligo? Ligo is a high-level language that compiles into the Tezos bytecode, named Michelson. There are two flavors in Ligo. The first one is in Typescript, and is named jsLigo, and the second one is in a command and is named mLigo. Why do we need Ligo? Michelson is a low-level stack language that is more appropriated for the machine than for developers. So we need high-level languages with blockchain specificities, bringing more security, and as close as popular languages that we have today, like TypeScript. The learning curve for Ligo is pretty fast, and is often considered like the solidity of Tezos. In this series, I will not talk about development of decentralized application and concentrate only on the language. In the next video, you will learn about the types available in jsLigo, and I will only focus for the jsLigo syntax for now. Even if you can develop jsLigo on VS Code with the Ligo plugin, I will focus on the web IDE for the moment. You don't have to install anything there. Ligo V1 has been delivered a few weeks ago. Let's dive in it now.